video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could delete multiple videos from Google Photos. So to do that, open first Google Photos, click on the first picture which you want to delete. The next step, scroll down to the last picture which you want to delete. Let's imagine this one, or scroll till the end of the pictures if you want to delete all of them. Press the button Shift and then click on the last picture to be selected as I show you. So here everything has been selected and we see this indicator in blue. So next step will be, you will just press delete button here and all these pictures will be deleted from your account. Next step, click on trash. Again, you can click empty trash, and with this way you will have deleted all the pictures from your Google Photos account. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email to help you. If you would like to encourage us, please press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.